Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Qalandar Bux, studying in class 9. We belong from Idrisia Secondary Public School. Here we are presenting the model of animal cell, which is prepared by group A. As you can see, the model of animal cell, which is some kinds of spherical as round in shape, in which the cell wall is absent but the outermost layer of cell membrane. Some other cell organelles are mentioned on it, such as cell membrane, lysosome, mitochondria, nucleus, vesicle, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. The first is cell membrane. The outermost living boundary of all cells, they protect the cytoplasm. And the second is lysosome. Animal cells possesses lysosomes which contain enzymes. They digest micromolecules. And the third is mitochondria. The mitochondria is a site of aerobic respiration. The mitochondria is also called the powerhouse of cell. And the fourth is ribosomes. The ribosomes are the site where protein synthesis occur. And the fifth is nucleus. It present in the center of the cell. They contain the genetic information in the form of DNA. And the last is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle found in eukaryotic cell only. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. Thank you.